Hi, and welcome to the June 2023 Nanaimo Real Estate Market Update. Let's jump right into the numbers. I did a quick absorption rate analysis to get a sense of where we're trending, specifically for 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, or minimum 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family detached homes in Nanaimo. As it turns out, there's 250 active listings that fit that description. There's been 450 of those sold in the last 6 months. That's about a rate of about 75 single-family homes with at least 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms selling every month. What does that mean? That means we've got about 3.3 months of inventory. That is essentially a balanced market that's right on the line for a seller's market. Might be surprising for some of you to hear that, because heading into spring, we were being told that things were trending towards a buyer's favor. Didn't really turn out that way. What do I mean by that? The year-to-date units listed is actually down 3.9% year over year. So the 12 months to date data show that we're down about 4%. Month over month, new listings are actually down 32%. That's a substantial number. Okay, active inventory is actually down 15% from this time last year. So low inventory. I think we're 25% below seasonal norms according to the British Columbia Real Estate Association. So that's what's going on the supply side. On the demand side, units sold year over year were down 33%. 15% month over month, so a decline in trading volume. Days to sell, though, it's not the rapid pace that we were experiencing this time last year, with days to sell actually increasing by about 85%, going from the rapid pace of last year where homes were selling on average in 17 days and in many cases a few hours. That average is up to 32 days. So just over a month average time to sell your property. Okay, what impact has that had on prices? Prices right now are down. They were originally down about 10% from peak values of last year. We're really down about 6 to 7% now. So our average was peaked at about $895,000. That was sort of the highest we really saw it. I mean, there was a few months where it peaked a little bit above that, but high 800s, 895,000. That average single family detached home price in Nanaimo right now sits at about $830,000. So some insight for sellers out there. Okay, I've been saying this for a while now. The prime time in the marketplace is right now. You know, I say if you asked me 9 months ago, hey John, I want to sell my property, when's the best time for me to sell in the next 12 months? I would have said May and June of 2023. We're stepping into June, so we're about right in the middle of what I deem the most optimal time of year to be selling a property in Nanaimo. So July and August, though, to that end, should remain pretty steady. Consumer confidence is pretty high right now in the market. We do typically see a seasonal slowdown come July and August. That's because we live on Vancouver Island, and our small window of warm weather, we want to get out and enjoy that. So we sometimes see a little bit of a reduction in trading volume in July and August. Kicks back up for September, October. We are expecting a healthy fall right now, short of some global economic news that leads us in another direction. But I call September, October second spring. That's that week after Labor Day, and I think it's going to be a pretty healthy fall market. If I'm a buyer right now, one thing to note, premium product is on the market right now. I already mentioned it a little bit before. If you're a seller and you've cared for your property for a long time and you're planning an exit and you're being strategic about your exit, that time is right now. So this tends to be the time when we see a lot of the premium product come on, those cherry homes that have a really, really intense owner that's really looking after the place and is planning ahead. A lot of that comes on the market now. So premium product online now. Good time to consider offers on stale product. We're getting near the end of the spring market. Sellers that haven't sold in the last 30 days should be losing a little bit of optimism, and so there may be opportunity for buyers to find some of those listings that are over 30 days and maybe figure out whether that seller is ready and willing to negotiate at this time. Good time for that. But as I've been saying for a while right now, be discerning. You shouldn't feel rushed in this market, and be prepared. Make sure you've got your finances sorted out. Make sure you're working with a strong agent with a solid plan, so that when you do find that great property in the great neighborhood, that you can make a plan to pursue it and be as successful as you optimally can. So that's the market report for this month. If you've made it this far, we want you to know that June 22nd, we are going to be supporting the opening night for the Commercial Street Night Market. Our office here on Chapel Street, we're opening up our doors. We've arranged some free parking. So if you want to come and say hello to us down here at the office on June 22nd, head on down to 91 Chapel Street. Come hang out with us from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Go check out opening night on the night market. We'd love to see you there. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty. Have yourself a great month.